This is my custom M16 Stompy. It's got the Widowmaker body on it. Beautiful gun. Also have a long barrel for it. For that DMR stunt. You got a sniper trigger on it. Stumpy front. AGM. Stumpy silencer. Grip. Chinese. Nice grip. Pistol grip. Clubfoot stock. Now at the minute I haven't actually sorted the battery out, so it's just sitting out at the minute. As you can see, battery bag. But it's a beautiful body. Well worth the money. 90 quid. So, really customised. So this is on single shot. Very reactive. Sorry about this, battery needs charged. I'll pull that up. The gun actually recoils just a bit. You can see this here's going absolutely nuts. Beautiful gun. You wouldn't want to be looking at the bottom of this here when I come round the corner. Stompy Widowmaker M16. My wee beastie beast. Thank you for watching. Say goodbye, guys.